Hello guys, today I'm going to show another Angular demonstration which is regarding Angular grid with ASP.NET Web API. The idea was behind I wanted to create this grid using Angular with a minimum lines of codes, and also it should have functionality to reuse to maintain in an application. So here you can see in this screen, this is a grid. It has a searching options and pagination. It is in there. Okay, you can see it, navigation back and forth and search by column wise. Is it ABC? You can see it works. Pagination also work. Sorting at this moment it is not developed. Okay, and so the greatest thing is in here. For example, if we see the jQuery data table, they only represent just like a data tables. But in this application, if you want to work as a data table, just like a HTML table, or else if you want to make a div-based layout, it's also possible. I will quickly show. Now in this application, this screen actually based on the divs in here. If I wanted to show just like a div based, sorry, HTML table based, I will just do small modification. Okay, see, I think this is much more flexible to the developer. Okay. Now it is working as a HTML table. Okay, so that is the idea in this grid. Okay, now I will go through the coding part. Okay, so let's first come to the HTML part. No, I think it's better. Let's first come to the TypeScript side, and in this example you have to create these two objects, just like this. Object name you can change. These are the classes. Okay, this is mandatory, and also you have to put a separate method to call into the API. So then therefore I created the service for that one, and in that service we are calling. In the search object also you have to put a grid ID and the defaults sorted column. The grid ID means later on in this video I am going to create a user list within a few minutes. Okay, in that case, let's say the home grid is ID 1 and user list is ID 2. The reason is in the web API, this API method, I am just conditioning that one. If 1, so then if grid ID 1 is this, else if ID 2, so then return the respective link query. Okay, that is the reason behind that. Okay, in the HTML side, okay, first you have to yeah, this is the body. This is the page items are we are returning from this our service method. You just have to display this like this way, and so then we are looping these page items, and so then you can do data display just like this way, and pagination and searching is like this. This should be the same method. This is the okay, grid option W means this is this object. It contains the searching columns and the data. So that's what I am putting in here. And search option X are the I think this is the way these are the child component based on this. So then I used input decorators and parent to child, child to parent, and unrelated component just like app search and app page. I have to communicate data. So then it's like that. Angular features are used to do this, and these are the settings that you need. Also, if you want to, you can just like this node displaying records based on the output. That's the only thing we have to do. And in the client side, in the server side, you have to define the method, just like this way. I just created the simple table, and I take in as a variable because its performance like it is good. So then just call this method. Only those are the steps that you need. Okay. Now I'm going to display in user list within few minutes. Okay. So then let's get started. And first of all, what I'm going to do is I just go to my STS file and I just copy these records fields, and there's my user list. Okay, it is in here, and I just pasted it here. As I said, grid ID now I said 2. Okay, and my default column is description 2, and searching columns are my table, actually SQL Server table records, table column names in this example. Those are column names. Yeah, I'm using last name and first name for searching. Okay, first name. Okay, page number 1. Sorry. Now come to the HTML part. Very simple. I'm just going to my previous control, copy this one, and just paste in here. And now I just need to change these things. Actually, those are the data table column names, and at this moment I just copy those things. Yes, option ID, first name, last name, page. And final part is to go to the web API method. Go to the API. In here I just need to add the else if statement. It's like this, did I do, so then take the user list. Okay, those are the things. I think we are done. I just run the application. Okay, let's see and our output, and okay, let's see now. Page it working as we expected, and pagination is there. Now in here I just put as a table and sorting, so pagination, searching, all I think as a correct last name. Yeah, I think it is expecting as works as expected. And thank you, and hope this will be used for you. And if there are any question about this one, please ask for me. Thanks.